We like food.
Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be making butter. It's something you might not think is easy to make, but homemade butter is surprisingly simple and offers the bonus of buttermilk for fried chicken. To start, you'll need 500 ml of cream. This amount isn't crucial, but it just depends on how much your stand mixer can handle. Pour the cream into the bowl of the stand mixer fitted with a balloon whisk attachment. Insert the balloon whisk into the cream and turn on the stand mixer at medium speed. Don't forget to use the bowl cover attachment because by the end you'll have buttermilk everywhere if you don't. Mix until you have whipped cream. Then we continue to whisk beyond this point. After a while, the buttermilk and the milk solids will begin to separate. When it begins to break, lower the speed by half. This will prevent the buttermilk from splashing everywhere. Once you have those beautiful yellow lumps of butter mixed with the buttermilk, turn off the stand mixer and scrape down the whisk. Next, you'll need another bowl for the buttermilk. Collect all the butter to one side of the bowl, then pour the buttermilk into the new bowl. Keep this buttermilk for making fried chicken. Check out our recipe for KFC popcorn chicken to see it in action. Next, you'll need a bowl with icy cold water. Place the butter in the bowl and squeeze out any remaining buttermilk. Repeat this process until you're not getting any buttermilk coming out of the butter. Transfer the butter to a bowl. I like to season my butter with a pinch of salt and mix it through. To store the butter, lay out a sheet of baking paper and place the butter in the center. Roll the paper long ways to form a nice solid log, then twist the ends to compress the butter. Place in the fridge to firm up before using. There you have it, homemade butter. This butter is so much better than anything you can find at the supermarket. The flavour is richer with a creamier texture. Spread on your favourite toast in the morning and taste the difference. The best part is you can add flavours to the butter however you like, be it garlic, bacon or anything you can think of. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, share us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.